1. Close your eyes, let your breath follow its natural rhythm and keep a slight awareness that you are breathing. One technique I use is to let my thoughts run with no effort as I put them in the background like music playing at a supermarket, which is there but you do not pay any attention to it, just keep a slight awareness of your breathing, and let it follow its natural rhythm. Stay like that for a minute or two and get up slowly, continue with what you were doing. 2. When sitting, it's important to pay attention to the breath and relax your muscles by letting them decompress with your mind. This encourages relaxation and concentration on the breath for a minute or two. After, you can resume with your previous work. 3. Taking a deep breath as you walk can be a great way to focus your mind on the present instead of distracting thoughts. For example, add 2 steps you breathe in, 3 steps you breathe out. The main thing is to put both in harmony, so it will always be better if practiced during a pleasant walk or in nature. The key is to work on your focus, listening to the natural sounds as much as possible. It will always be better if practiced outdoors on a walk. 4. One of the senses to learn is sight when it comes to meditation. Fix your gaze on a beautiful object, such as a flower or a sunset, and contemplate the beauty. Let your gaze shift between colors for a few minutes as you observe the object. Try to let your thoughts go as you observe the object for a few minutes. 5. Just take a seat in a relaxing position and go through your body, noticing how you feel on the soles of your feet and gradually moving up, then going back down. During these 2 or 3 minutes, the person should be carried away by the body sensations and calmness.